Hello guys, another day in Banahaw. Today is Friday. Good Friday everyone. Overlooking. Marami dito ang ambers. Dalawang beautiful na magmami. Hello, baby! Yun guys, ang aming campsite. Over there. Oh, it's a beautiful morning. Our beautiful Mount Banahaw. Actually, we are at Mount Banahaw proper. That one is the peak of the mountain. Continue walking.